Hi there, Joel from Jonesy's, and this short video is going to be a product information video about our direct mount power steering pump adapter for the B series Cummins. It's also used to delete the vacuum pump on the Dodge truck 6BTs that had that sandwich style vacuum pump. So we'll go through the product details next. So here's everything that is included in the kit. We'll start with the actual bracket itself. This is a replica but improved version of the OEM Cummins direct mount kit. We abandoned the cast aluminum piece and went with a solid billet of 6061 T6 aluminum. It's machined on a CNC machine, of course, to maintain exact tolerances and accuracy. So that's a really nice piece made right here in the United States. Next is the genuine OEM Cummins gear. This is the exact gear sourced directly from Cummins for this application. We have some Loctite retaining compound, and I do have another video. We'll put the link to the installation video where we show how to use this Loctite product in the description. Then we've got the mounting bolts and the cork gasket. And then lastly, a new addition to the kit is we've included a special alignment tool that's used for assembly. So I'll show you guys exactly how this tool helps you assemble the kit. So here you can see we have the bracket kind of mocked up, temporarily loosely installed on a pump. And the purpose of this assembly tool is to ensure that the center line of this shaft stays concentric with this pump. And so you can see it's got a little offset there. And so what it does is it indexes, slides right over the shaft, and it indexes inside the adapter. And what that does is it allows you to maintain perfect center line of this shaft while you tighten all of these bolts. So you slip this piece on like that, making sure that everything lines up where it needs to be. Then you go and torque all of these bolts to secure the piece to the pump. After that, you take this off and you would apply your thread compound, your thread retaining compound here, and press your gear on. The gear gets pressed on like this. It's got a bushing inside with a T. The gear gets pressed on to the shaft like that with the T facing out. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Links to the other installation video as well as this product will be in the description.